In this practice, you will create a custom ribbon tab and panel with custom buttons and add simple macros to zoom in special options and insert text with special formatting. Start a new drawing based on the AEC Imperial. The text style required for the macros are available in this template. Open the CUI dialog box. In the command list pane, click Create a new command. In the Properties pane, add the following information: name, zoom extent plus, description, zoom extent, then zoom out slightly, macro, zoom, semicolon E, zoom, semicolon, 0.9x. In the button image area, scroll through the set of available icons to find one of the zoom icons. Select it to use this command. Select both to set it for the small and large images. In the command list pane, click Create a new command to create another new command and assign the following properties: name, title text, description, create multi-line text using the title text style, center justified, and width a height of 0.25. Macro, C dash layer, semicolon S, text, semicolon, semicolon, mtext, semicolon, backslash S, semicolon, title, semicolon, J, semicolon, MC, semicolon, H, semicolon, 0.25, semicolon. In the button image area, select one of the text icons to use for this command. Select both to set it for the small and large images. Create another command and assign the following properties: name, notes text, description, create multi-line text using the hand text style, left justified, and with a height of 0.125. Macro, C dash layers, semicolon S, semicolon text, semicolon, semicolon, mtext, semicolon, backslash, S, semicolon, hand, semicolon, J, semicolon, TL, semicolon, H, semicolon, 0.125, semicolon. In the button image area, select a different text icon to use for this command. Select both to set it for the small and large images. In the command list area, change the category to custom commands to display the new commands. In the ribbon, create a new panel named macros. Drag the 3 custom commands to add them to the new panel. Create a new tab named Macros and drag the Macros panel to add it to the new tab. In the Workspace node, select the Drafting and Annotation default current workspace. Drag the new Macros tab and drop it in the Ribbon Tabs node in the Workspace content area. Drag it to the new location. Note the new panel, tab, and tools in the ribbon. Click OK to close the CUI dialog box. Draw an object in the model space and test the Zoom Extent Plus command. Switch to the A-size layout and test your new commands by creating text in the layout. If they do not work correctly, open the CUI dialog box and verify that the macros are correct. If time permits, use the button editor to modify the text button to make them different to the standard text commands. In the Customize User Interface dialog box, right-click on the AutoCAD node and select Reset AutoCAD. Click Apply to revert back to the default interface. Close the drawing. Do not save changes.